Starting in the summer of 2017, Microsoft issued several announcements that redefined their approach to the unified communications market. In recent announcements, Microsoft appears to be focused on moving unified communications solutions to the cloud and away from on-premises deployments. Here we'll look at how CXE can be used to extend and interoperate with the Microsoft Unified Communications solutions. In 2017, Microsoft announced they would discontinue support for customers using third-party PBXs with Exchange Online Unified Messaging. The current deadline for this is April 2019. Microsoft just recently announced that Exchange Server 2019 would no longer include support for unified messaging when used at the premise. This means that any customer using Microsoft Exchange Unified Messaging who wishes to upgrade to Exchange 2019 needs to find other options to provide voicemail and unified messaging for their users. Microsoft also announced the release of Skype for Business 2019 and told their customers that this would be the last release of Skype for Business for use at the enterprise. Current Skype for Business customers who use Exchange Unified Messaging for their voice messaging needs will need to find other options if they wish to upgrade to Exchange 2019. Microsoft would like to have their customers move to the cloud for all of their unified communications needs. And this starts by moving users to Office 365 and Teams and having them use the Microsoft phone system for all of their telephony needs. For customers using the Microsoft phone system, the voice messaging and automated attendant functionality would be provided by the Cloud Voicemail and Cloud Automated Attendant products. However, both the Cloud Voicemail and Cloud Automated Attendant applications offer far less functionality than is available from Exchange Unified Messaging. Microsoft will continue to support Exchange running at the enterprise. Those customers who upgrade to Exchange 2019 will lose the Exchange Unified Messaging functionality previously available. Microsoft will also continue to support Skype for Business running at the enterprise. However, they've announced that Skype for Business 2019 will be the last version of the product. If the customer upgrades to Exchange 2019, they will not be able to use Exchange for either voice messaging or automated attendant functionality. Microsoft's solution for those customers is to have them use the Cloud Voicemail and Cloud Automated Attendant applications for that functionality. The question facing Microsoft customers today: are they ready to move 100% of their unified communications to the Microsoft Cloud? For many customers, such a move would be very difficult. Some customers may not be comfortable relying on the cloud for 100% of their telephony requirements, and others may not want their voice messages stored in their email in the cloud. Microsoft customers need to closely evaluate their options in unified communications, and we believe that an understanding of how the XMedius Unified Communications solutions can work in a Microsoft environment will make that process a little easier. While CXE can't work with all of the Microsoft UC platforms, there's a lot of application integration between the two solution sets. CXE is the only product, other than Microsoft Cloud Voicemail and Cloud Automated Attendant solutions, that can fully integrate to Skype for Business on-premises and hybrid deployments. CXE can answer forwarded calls, take messages, and deposit those messages in the user's Exchange inbox. It can also answer incoming calls and provide the automated attendant functionality for the entire enterprise. CXE can also be used to support traditional PBXs deployed at the customer site, offering full unified messaging with Exchange 2019 and support for Office 365 users. CXE also offers a cloud deployment that provides all of the same functionality as the on-premises product. By deploying a CXE system, customers who are currently using Exchange Unified Messaging Online with a premise-based PBX can continue to offer their users full unified messaging functionality, even after Microsoft discontinues support for unified messaging in Exchange Online. CXE can provide the full feature set for both messaging and call processing. If a customer is using Exchange on-premises for unified messaging and wants to upgrade to Exchange 2019, by installing CXE, they can continue to give their users the full unified messaging feature set. This goes for customers using Skype for Business, as well as those using traditional PBXs. Customers who are already using Office 365 and a hybrid deployment of Skype for Business can use CXE to replace the functionality lost when Microsoft discontinues support for unified messaging. However CXE is used, the customers can benefit from the full range of CXE unified communication solutions, like speech automated attendant, personal assistant, team queue for informal call centers, the secure mobile and web user applications, the UC Connect module for creating custom solutions, and much more. Any customer using or looking at moving to the Microsoft Unified Communication Solutions should take the time to look at how the XMedius Unified Communication Solutions can enhance and improve the Microsoft offerings. For more information, contact any XMedius dealer or contact us directly at info@xmedius.com or go to our website www.xmedius.com.